Labor Day in San Diego means living outside continues for a couple more months, right? That gives you some time to tackle some projects to get you ready for your home ready for the changing seasons here. And let's not forget about some ways to relax a little on this Labor Day outside as well. Home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery is joining us now. And Kathryn, you've got some good ideas, some projects potentially to extend the season outside. I mean, we are blessed to live in San Diego, right? It looks nice there in the backyard.
Exactly. I know now is the perfect time to do some projects, like you said, Eric, and then also, hey, it's Labor Day, so I thought I'd throw in some relaxing things.
Good.
So let's get the work done first, okay? Right. So September is a great month to really wash your house and your windows before the seasons change and the rain comes. So I always like a 2-in-1 product. And this Rejuvenate dual wash house wash and window cleaner does just that. It literally, Eric, all you need is a hose. You attach it right to the end here, and then you'll literally hit one for windows.
Oh,
and you'll see
look at that.
You can't really see how high it goes.
It's a powerful stream, though.
Fun with this at the studio, by the way. But you see what I mean? So you can literally rinse your house, rinse your windows, get rid of all that grime just in time for the changing seasons.
That's good.
And it's safe for plants, too. So now that that's all set, for those of us that have a pool and we might want to take it on ourselves, Clorox Pool and Spa has come up with an app. You have got to love technology, right?
Right.
So here's how it works. So you'll download the app. You'll literally just take one of these test strips. You'll dip it in your pool.
Oh, wow.
You'll scan it to your phone. Suggestions will come up right there to your phone, Eric. You don't have to go anywhere. You literally click purchase. It shows up at your door, and voila, you are swimming.
Because Kathryn,
cool?
I feel like that's one of the setbacks of people getting a pool, or maybe they're avoiding it because they've always been told about the maintenance costs. But if you could take the maintenance into your own hands and those costs, you can bring that down.
It's and also, like, think about if you have, it just doesn't look right, like say after, it's going to start raining, whatever. So anyway, at Clorox Pool and Spa, my husband officially this summer has been promoted to pool guy at our house, so he's loving it. So,
Gotcha. All right, how about some fun things?
All right, so now enough laboring though, right? Okay, now let's talk about grilling. I don't know, Eric, have you heard of a pellet grill before?
I have never heard of this pellet thing, but as I'm looking into this, I'm like, I've got to go this route. Please tell me more.
Oh my God. Okay, I always joke it's like the crock pot of the grilling world, and real grilling enthusiasts are like, please don't call it that, but it really is, because it can do anything. It can bake, it can braise, it can roast, it can smoke. So here's how it works. There's a chamber here that it's fueled by, and there's these pellets. And the nice thing about these pellets is they come in all different kinds of flavors. So apple, pecan, hickory. So whatever you're cooking, you can add that flavor to it. So you literally will add the pellets into the chamber, and then an auger takes it into the chamber here, or into the grill here, and it's literally like a 360-degree cook all the way around. So I'm cooking some bacon here this morning on one of my copper mats. I'm teasing you guys. I should be in there bringing this bacon to you.
Exactly.
But it really is just a great way to cook. And the thing I like about this one, this is a Monument Grills pellet grill. You stick the probe into the meat, and then it's all Wi-Fi enabled. So imagine cooking your brisket, chilling on the couch, watching the NBA playoffs. It sends an alert to your phone, says your meat's done, and you're good to go.
You can grill and take care of your pool on your phone.
I mean, literally, we are breeding a generation of lazy people, but I'll take it. I don't want to work any harder at home.
Hey, Kathryn,
I'll do too much anyway.
Just a minute left here. How about like one of those pits, those little pits, fire pits you can have in the back?
Absolutely. I'm going to rely on some photos for this because I couldn't move mine last night. I realized it's actually gas lined in. But a great way in San Diego to extend the night, even well into November, is invest in a fire pit. So there's so many options. There's little tabletop options that all you need is a little propane tank. There's also wood burning options that you'll see here that we're showing. And then there's the gas line option, or I'm sorry, propane tank, and then there's a gas line option. So it's just a great way. Think about it. You're chilling outside, you're cooking on your Traeger, you're probably swimming in your pool that you just cleaned yourself. Your house is looking sparkling. Why not stay out there a little bit longer, right? Go. So just a great way to extend living outside, especially for us in Southern California. It's awesome.
Great ideas, Kathryn. As always, really appreciate your time. Thanks for walking us through that, and hope to see you back outside the studio here in the next few months.
Me too. Look forward to it.
Thanks, Kathryn. Happy Labor Day to you.
Thank you.
Stella,
You too.
let's get it over to you. Amazing things we can all do on our phones now. You know, cleaning the pool and running your barbecue.
I know. I was so impressed by all of the cool ideas that she brought forward. So thank you so much for that, Kathryn. And starting today, millions of unemployed Californians will see an extra $300